Okay, so find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. So this comes under quadratic equations. So find the sum, find two numbers we have to find such that whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Suppose let one number is x, then automatically the second number is how much it will be? 27 minus x, because if I add x plus 27 minus x, I will get 27. Okay, so this number plus this number is equal to 27. So therefore the condition is correct. The one number is x, the other number is 27 minus x. Now what is the other condition he has given? So definitely will give you two conditions such that a quadratic equation will form. Okay, now what is the other condition? He says that their product is how much? 182. That means if I multiply the first number and the second number 27 minus x, I will get 182. Okay, so the first condition is sum of two sum of two numbers is 27. So we assumed one number is x, other number is 27 minus x. The second condition is their product, the two numbers if I multiply, I'll get 182. So what are the numbers he's asking? So simply we have to we got this conditions. From this we'll get the quadratic equation. So it is 27x minus x square is equal to 182. So x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. This we have to solve. So we know that. See how to solve this simple method is we have to see that 27. So minus 27 we have to split in such a way. If I multiply, I should get. If I multiply, I should get how much? Plus 182. Okay. If I add the two numbers, I should get how much? Minus 27. Okay. Multiply 182 plus. If I add minus 27. What are such two numbers we have to verify? I think it is 13 and 14. So minus 13 minus 14. If I add minus 13 minus 14 is equal to minus 27. Now minus 13 into minus 14 will be how much? You can just see that is 130. 10 if I 10 plus 4 if I write is 130 and 430 in there. How much it is? 40 and 12. So 52 and that 130. So it is how much? 182. So this will be 182. That means our assumption of minus 30 splitting minus 27 as minus 13 minus 14 is correct. So therefore now we will write the equation like this: x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182. Right. Now minus 13x minus 14x equal to minus 27x, and minus 13 into minus 14 is 182. These two product will be equal to product of this and this. So 182 x square will be there. So now I can easily take x common. Here x minus 13. Here if I take 14 common and x minus 13. So therefore x minus 14 is one factor, other factor is x minus 13. So this implies x is equal to 14 or x is equal to 13. Okay. So x minus 13 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 13. In the second factor, x minus 14 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to how much? 14. So the two numbers are 13 and 14. So the two numbers are how much? 13 and 14. If I add 13 plus 14, I will get 27. Okay. If I multiply 13 into 14, I will get 1. How much? 182. So therefore the required numbers are 13 and 14. Hope you understood. Will stop.